Hello and a very good morning to all my dear students. Dear students, today my topic is challenges to democracy, and the name of the chapter is Challenges to Democracy. This topic is for class 10th. Dear students, as we all know that democracy is important for running the government. In fact, in all forms of governments, among all the forms of governments, democracy is the best form of government in present context. As we all know that democracy is the dominant form of government in the contemporary world. It does not face a serious challenge or rival, but that doesn't mean that democracy cannot face any challenge. In fact, challenge is not a sort of problem, but it is a difficulty that carries within it an opportunity for progress, within it an opportunity for progress. Once we overcome a challenge, we go to a higher level than before. डेमोक्रेसी में हमने बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करना होता है. जो ये प्रॉब्लम्स, इनफैक्ट ये प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है, चैलेंज हैं. चैलेंज वो होती हैं जो भी डिफ़िकल्टी जिसको हम ओवरकम करते हैं, जिसको हम इरेज करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हम आगे बढ़ पाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हम सोसाइटी को इम्प्रूव कर पाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हम गवर्नमेंट को और रिफॉर्म करते हैं, उसको चैलेंज कहते हैं. चैलेंज इज़ गुड फॉर रनिंग द गवर्नमेंट. Challenges are necessary in a democratic government. In fact, challenges are not problems, but they are the difficulties that carries within it an opportunity for progress. जैसे हम इस progress की तरफ चले जाते हैं, जैसे हम इस difficulty को overcome करते हैं, उसकी वजह से हम और आगे बढ़ पाते हैं. बहुत सारी challenges हमें इस डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम में आते हैं. पहला चैलेंज ये है कि एक्सपेंशन ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. 1/4 of the world are still non-democratic. So the non-democratic governments are in a transition towards democratic government. They want to convert towards a democratic setup, so that all the world will remain prosperous and people will lead towards a more better societies. And the second challenge is the challenge of expansion. As we know that there are some grassroots levels of democracy, that's panchayats or municipalities. The system is such in a democratic system that they want to give more powers to this grassroots level. So if more powers are given to the grassroots level, automatically the upper levels of the democratic governments can easily get converted in a better way. This is the second challenge, that's challenge of expansion in a democratic system. And the third challenge is deepening of democracy, which is faced by every democracy in one form or the another. So strengthening of the institutions and the practices of democracy are must. So these challenges are necessary to overcome the difficulties. जो भी ये चैलेंज हैं, इसकी वजह से हम डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम में इस गवर्नमेंट को और रिफॉर्म कर पाते हैं. सो all these challenges are necessary for a better society.